Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Just a quick one. Do you remember when I said in the last video, maybe the last video, second to last video, anyway, one of my last videos, I said how many clips are in this tub? So what I'm going to do now is sit here, count these out. I'll put it in the top corner so you can see it, and we'll roll the video. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. While that guy is up there counting, I'm here to tell you about today's video sponsor, ITS. The ITS sale is now on. There's never been a better time to top up your toolbox and save on power tools, hand tools, workwear, and more, with big price reductions across all major brands, especially these guys here. With loads of high quality gear designed for the trade professional, but with a price point to suit any budget. And also don't forget, if you order before 7 PM, you get next day delivery. There's never been a better time to grab a bargain at its.co.uk. So head over there now and check it out. I'll just load up the video. That's the one. So we've got over 1,000 comments to troll through to find the correct answer. So it's that one. It was the 65 downlights in one day. Impossible, mate. The tools we don't want you to know about. 1 week ago, we're going to I'm now going to go through the comments and find if anyone got it spot on. I'll put the names on the screen, and if anyone got close, we'll go with the closest. So good luck to everyone. Good morning, world. We're going back today. Remember this job, this squid in the garden. We're going back there today. I've picked up some lovely exterior. These are from Bow IP65 GU10. Okay, there's a reason they're GU10, which a lot of you won't like, because you didn't like this garden in the first place with the walls and the artificial grass and stuff. But remember, everyone's different, so it's his garden, he can do what he wants. I picked up some jowl, and I've picked up these lovely little, where are they? These lovely little junction boxes. Okay, and we're going to fill these with jowl. Even as they are, they're IP68. I'm going to fill them with gel anyway. As always, we'll get into it, and I'll see you when we get there. Just had a horrible thought. Do you remember the job, this job?
What is it? What? What happened there? Did you just then?
It's fresh. Oh, it's today, mate.
I need it for this, and I haven't got one. I forgot I haven't got one, so I might be able to do the old hammer trick, but I know this stuff's quite tough to squidge out. So if you remember this job, we are left with these. I'm replacing these little jowl things because I'm not happy with them. I'm going to put the new black ones on that I've got, fill them full of jowl. We'll get it on. I'll show you what I'm doing, then I'll show you a little thing about these lights which you might not like. So that's what we got. Coffee, as always. Picked up these lovely bow lights. These are nice quality, yeah. These compared to what the other guy installed. Okay, nice spike, adjustable, that can tilt, lots of flex, nicely sealed on the end, and then a nice big screw cap for the GU10. So effectively that's going to go into this little box here. One cable in, one cable out, being the light, and then these little boxes have got a little cover on. 2 screws, which is nice. It's nice to have some screws, isn't it, rather than just these crappy things. And then I'm not sure what they give you in here, but I will probably change it for, yeah, they just give you 3 connector blocks, which is fine. I'll either use these, I'll probably use these actually, because they clip inside, look like that, and then we'll fill it full of the gel. I've got 1 whisker and 2 of the Raytech. I think they're very similar products, so I'm not worried about them being different. rank, absolute rank. So someone said about this bed, this is going to create moisture into the client's house. There's the client's house. This is literally a wall, and there's the other house. So there's no way that this is going to create any moisture because it's just a brick wall, okay? So what we've got here is the cables. I'm now going to take these Wagos off, connect them into the box that I've got, and then I'll show you that actually. I've got my light in my box. A lot of people ask what this is. Look, it's a Nipex. It's ergo strip, awesome for flex, okay? I just need, so what I'm going to do first is get my cloth, because this stuff's mucky as hell. And that stinks. So I'm just going to take off these Wagos. I might have to, I'm not sure if I think the connection is double pole at the spur that he's put in, but I'm not sure, so I'll just keep the neutral and the CPC from touching. Okay, that goes in there. I'll just make this off again if I can't get it through. Ouch. That's damn sharp. Let's cut it off. There we go. Okay, so cable is in box. What we're going to do is snip these off. And then I'll use this. It doesn't need to be that long, obviously. Like that. How easy that was, eh? And then I'll snip these probably there, make them off, and then put them into these connectors. We've also got to have a look at one of the sleeper bed lights, because it's very dim apparently, so I've got to have a look at that today and fix a lampshade in the house, but obviously won't film that because it's boring. So I've got 8 of these to do, and then I can show you what the crack is with the lamps. Well, I've got my cables connected into the connectors. What I'm going to do now is tighten up these. Only tighten these glands up when you've got the cable in, yeah? So otherwise it will just pull out. And as this gel isn't the pourable stuff, you just have to squeeze it out with obviously a gun for squidging out mastic and stuff, but mine's broke, so we'll give it a go with something else. So all I've got is the gel and the old hammer trick, yeah? See if it works. Don't know if you can see that, but the gel's coming out. But it's horrible. It's like thick gel. Easier with a gun obviously, and a James, but 2 of those things I haven't got at the minute. Okay. The least amount of touching on this stuff, the better, yeah? Get it squished in there, look. Okay. Essential, you need a microfiber cloth because that gel sticks to it perfectly, and then it comes off. Let's have a look. Alright, hopefully you can see that. There's the gel, and all I'm going to do is slam that lid shut, screw them up, get my grips, tighten these two up, and that'll be that one done. I'll just waffle on as I'm doing this. A lady called me up the other day and she says, my husband's tried to change the bathroom light, can you come and have a look? I said, yeah, no worries, I'll nip round tomorrow. It's only local, little quick one. She said, while you're here, we got 2 garage lights that need doing. I said, yeah, no worries. Have you got the lights? Yeah, we've got everything, just come and do it. I said, that's fine. So I went there yesterday, and lovely couple. Husband's got onset of sort of dementia type illness, and the wife was fine, but they're both just elderly, you know. They never ask for help normally. The husband does all the bits and bobs, but in this occasion they needed me to help them, so I went and did the light. And as I was down at the garage, the wife came and had a chat with me, and she said, you know what, Chris, we were doing a fence panel out the front the other day, and we were struggling. She said, I don't normally ask for help, but 2 lovely gentlemen came over. Well, she said at the time they seemed lovely, and they said, oh, hello, we're working a couple of doors down, you look like you're struggling, do you want a hand? She said, oh yes please, that'd be lovely, thank you. And then the chap said, no, not with this fence panel, your gutters look like they need cleaning. And she thought about it, and she thought, oh yeah, they haven't been done for a couple of years. Yeah, yes please, that'd be lovely if you can help me with that. And she said they were there about 20 minutes, and then they then said it's £300 for 20 minutes. And she was obviously a little bit shocked by that, but she was old and she's kind of on her own. So they made her go to the cash machine, wait in their car, and she withdrew the money out, give it them, and they said, oh, thanks for that, love, we'll drop your card round later. And she never saw them again. So it absolutely makes my piss boil when people are like that with other people. I just couldn't do that to people, but some people can. It's just shocking really, isn't it? Right, here we go, second attempt at the squidging of the javelin with no gun. God, that's hard. Oh, Jesus, I need to go and get a mastic gun. Right. God, this stuff. You need to make sure you get it in on the connections. You're not really worried about anything else apart from the connections, yeah? Like that. There we go. Get the little seal back on the box. Like that. Slam it down. There we go. Right. Don't fall down there, you. Right. A little check. Right, that seal's not sealing great on that front, so I'm just gonna open it up like that. There we go, that's better. Right, 2 screws in and move on to the next one. So these are the lamps that are already here. You're probably wondering what colour these lamps are going to be, and you'll just have to wait until I finish to see what colour they are. Right, the client's taken pity on me that we've got ourselves a mastic gun now. I'm going to show you this with a mastic gun rather than struggling with a hammer, yeah? So the easiest way to do it is keep this lid, see right in the bottom of there, you want to squeeze this right in, okay? Like that. Right down in the corners, and it will start to bubble up, look. So keep the lid semi-shut.
Squeeze it in as much as you can. Cut the head off. All I do is get my screwdriver, tuck it in, tuck, squeeze. Okay. Put the 2 screws in. 1, 2. And jobs are good. I mean, if this was the pouring stuff, you have to stand it upright and then leave it for it to set. You could screw the cap on straight away as long as it's filled right up, you know. But and then I'm just going to tweak up these. 1, 2. Jobs are good. That'll be completely sealed now, and I won't be coming back to this job to do these lights again. There we go. Voila. All of the bed lights are changed. If I can get a video of these now from the client at night, I'll insert it here so you can actually see what they look like. I will put them on now just to show you, but I'll insert the video, as I say, so you can see them on at night. I've got to have a look at this one now. I thought maybe I could change the lamp, but look, see it there, it's a little LED strip. So I've got one little apology to make to the last bloke. The client did tell me that the electrician supplied all the lights, and now today he's told me that he supplied them all, so I slated him a little bit for that, but what can you do? So basically the client supplied the lights, the electrician did the work, but the work was just as bad as the lights. Can you see that, hopefully? Beautiful.